Hey folks, today I'm replacing the passenger rear caliper on my wife's CR-V. It's been sticking and I haven't had any issues yet, but when you walk by the car after driving for a while, it's definitely hot back here. So I went to Napa, not a sponsor, and I bought a caliper, and I also got a brake hose. My thought is I might as well do the brake hose now before this turns into a rusty mess. For the cost of a brake hose, just get it done and then we're good to the brake line. I've got the fan going over there just so that any brake dust I kick up gets blown away right away. But I just wanted to show you something. I read the directions, and it says right here, prior to installation, the brake hose is removed from the box and placed in a straight position at room temperature. After a minimum of 30 minutes, manually flex the hose to remove any hose curvature. So I took the hose out of the box and I got it sitting here in the sun. And I suppose if you're working outdoors, you could put it in the car where it gets hot. But I know I was doing, the front left caliper went over the winter, and I was trying to get the brake hose to work, and I was just having a bear of a time getting the thing to twist. So, when you're replacing brake hoses, take them out of the box as soon as possible. Put them in the sun, put them in the car if it's hot, put them next to the heater if you work in a shop, not too close, and let them flex. Might make life easier, right?